More than 5,000 public utility jeepney drivers are expected to receive financial aid as part of the government's ongoing program aimed at easing the burden of continuous increases in fuel prices. Elijah Canlas has more.
On the second day of the distribution of 5,000 pesos subsidy to PUJ drivers, crowds continue to flock to receive the assistance. Among the early birds at the Quezon Memorial Circle is Jimmy. He has been driving a jeepney for over 20 years and he is deeply grateful for the orderly and fast process of the distribution.
Malaking bahagi po ito sa aming kabuhayan dahil malaking bagay na tulong galing sa pamahalaan. Marami po, mga daming gastusin sa bahay, mga bill, mga lahat-lahat. Maraming salamat po sa pamahalaan.
Meanwhile, for Rodel, who relies on driving as his primary source of income, the 5,000 peso aid is a huge help for fuel expenses.
Mahalaga, sir. Kasi kailangan talaga dahil halos yung iniikot namin napupunta lang sa diesel. Kaya mahalaga sa amin yun dahil nauntay-untay na napabawasan yung diesel ko sa tangke. Dati puno yun, pabawas ng pabawas.
For Genesis, who has been supporting his family as a driver for 16 years, a portion of the subsidy he will receive will go towards diesel cost and household expenses.
Mahalaga rin po ito at saka malaki, kahit paano malaking tulong itong bigay ng presidente. Kahit paano makatulong sa financial assistance namin mag-asawa, pambiling pangangailangan at saka kahit paano kung may sobra idagdag ko sa diesel ng jeep.
The 5,000 peso financial aid is part of the directive of President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. to ease the burden on transport workers. Over 5,000 PUJ drivers in Quezon City are targeted to receive the cash relief under the DSWD's AIX program. To ensure the comfort of the drivers, the department has set up help desks for immediate clarification on the master list status. There is also free photocopy station for their licenses and valid IDs to help them save on costs. The system remains orderly with the assistance of personnel from the DSWD Field Office and the LTFRB. Meanwhile, today, March 25th, the government is focusing on jeepney drivers in Metro Manila following the payout for TNBS yesterday. This initiative serves as a critical stopgap mechanism to ensure the continuity of transport services for the public. The cash assistance distribution at QC Circle remains organized. DSWD reminds delivery riders and motorcycle taxi drivers that their schedule will be from this Thursday until Saturday. Elijah Canlas from the National TV Network for the New and Better Philippines.